Hi guys, I'm Sarah. I work here at Splosh in the product team, and today I'll be showing you how to assemble the 8-piece magnet CDU. So as you can see, I've got all of my pieces laid out in front of me just to make it a bit easier. And what you want to do is you start off with the main piece and you want to fold up the back to assemble the sides. So what you want to do is you want to take the side piece with this tab and just place it in the slot like that. So this is what it looks like when both sides are folded in. And you want to lay it on its side to fold down these tabs here, just so they're out of the way, and fold this out like this. Then you'll follow this crease to fold down the front part. That'll fit just. So what you want to do is fold the front part over these side flaps and place them into the slots just here. Then you'll take these side pieces and fold them down just inside like that to reach the slits. So that's what it looks like when both sides are folded in. And now we'll move on to the middle insert. Using these pieces here, we'll create our stand. So you'll need to fold the sides in on both pieces. And grab one of these straight pieces and fold it into the bottom like this. So then you'll turn this piece on its back and do the same underneath. So coming back to this piece here, you'll fold in the sides just like that, and you'll take this middle insert and fold it into the joints down the bottom. And just slide that in the back just like that. So it looks like this. You'll then take this piece here, it comes folded in half, but what you want to do is follow all of the crease lines and fold them just like that. So once you have it folded just like this, you'll take this piece and pop it in to line up with the middle insert. Then you'll just fold down the front and push down the middle. Using these 3 pieces will be our dividers for the middle section here. And what you want to do is fold them in half and place them into the slots just like this. And then you'll do the same for the other 2. So once all of your dividers are in, it'll look something like this. And then you'll use these pieces to boost up the stock that'll sit inside there. What you want to do is just fold down the sides and place them into each section. And you'll do that for all 4. Lastly, you'll take your header piece and pop it into the slots at the back. And there you have it, guys, your fully assembled 8-piece magnet Canada display unit. Thanks for watching.